So friends, this is our recipe for today. Gobi sabzi. This is a family recipe. It's my mom's recipe and she's been doing this, and it is a simple recipe. We did not deep fry the gobi first or anything like that. And this is so friends, the first thing we'll do is heat up a pan, and then today I'll use mustard oil. So the cauliflower sabzi or the gobi sabzi tastes good in the mustard oil. So I'll add some mustard oil, and when it starts to smoke, then so you have to wait till the oil is heated up. So this is a simple recipe. This is my mom's recipe. So I will be asking her questions in between. So now we see that the oil has just started to smoke. It's pretty hot. So we'll add the cumin seeds, and we'll add the hing or asafoetida, and then we'll add so I'll turn the heat to low, and I'm adding the Roman coriander or the black seeds. So now I'll add the ginger, like a 1-inch piece of ginger, and then garlic. So we'll mix them up. So we'll cook these a little bit. Okay, now I can smell the ginger and garlic. It is cooked. So we will add the cauliflower, the gobi. So these black seeds, the Roman coriander, is commonly called kalonji in many parts of India. So now I'll add 2 medium-sized diced tomatoes. The tomatoes add a good flavor and also make the sabzi very colorful. Okay, so now my mom is saying we can add the salt. So salt is as per taste, like always. So I'm adding about a teaspoon. So today I'm using the iodized sea salt. So I either use the Himalayan salt or the iodized sea salt. Okay, so now we are going to cover this for a few minutes, and then we'll add potatoes and peas, because peas and potatoes won't take too much time. So friends, I will also add, we are still going to cook. It has been around 1 minute since we covered it. So I just wanted to add the green chilies. So I took like 3 green chilies, and so we'll cover this and cook it for another 4 minutes. So friends, another thing that I forgot to add is the fenugreek leaves. So I added the green chilies, now I added the fenugreek leaves, and I'll cover this, and we still have like 3 more minutes to cook. Okay friends, so now we are going to add the potatoes and the green peas. So I took frozen peas, and they don't take too much time to cook. And now we'll add the powdered spices, the turmeric and the other spices. Okay, so first thing I'm going to add is turmeric. It's about 3/4 of a teaspoon. And then about 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. About 1 teaspoon of garam masala. About 1 teaspoon of the red chili powder. And we'll mix them up. It is already smelling really good. So this is a simple everyday recipe for your lunch box, and it tastes really good. You can adjust the spice levels a little bit, and we'll cover this for a few more minutes. I have the heat on medium. Okay friends, so it has been around 7 minutes. So we will open it and see. So it looks like it is done. So the last thing I want to add is dry mango powder. So I'll add about a teaspoon of the dry mango powder. This will add to the flavor just a little bit more. And then garnish this with the fresh coriander. So coriander gives a good flavor to all Indian curries or sabzis. So friends, this is our recipe for today. Gobi sabji. This is a family recipe. It's my mom's recipe, and she's been doing this, and it is a simple recipe. We did not deep fry the gobi first or anything like that. And this is for your everyday lunch box, and it tastes really good. You can adjust the spice levels and some spices a little bit. So I hope you liked today's video. If you liked the video, then like it, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Okay friends, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.